Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Good to see you. So I'm here to do another of Tina's mass makes. Is this week 7? I think it's week 7. So what they are they are fold out booklets. So we get this and we have a pocket here and a pocket here. Now there are lots of ways that you could use this type of a thing. You could stick it down on your page on 3 sides like that and have this be a side tuck, and then you've got these pockets like that. Or, and what I'm probably going to do is actually sew this into a signature. That's what I'm thinking. So it'd be either part way through the signature or as the middle part. So that's what we're making today. Now I've done 3 and I'm just going to do 2 with you on video. First so you can see how to do it, and then second so we can remind you, remind myself how to do it. So what we're starting with is a 12 inches across by 6 inches high. So essentially a 12 by 12 sheet will get you two of these. Okay, so we're going to score at 6 inches, so in the middle. Okay, and then we're going to score at 2 inches and 2 inches. Easy peasy, right? I think we can all remember those numbers. Okay, so again, we're going to score at 6. Oops, I love this paper. It's got all flecks of gold in. Can you see? Okay. Ooh, shiny. Love the shiny. So 6 and then 2 and another 2, and then we can put this scoreboard away. Just gonna flip it that way because yeah, it didn't want to sit in there for some reason. There we go. All right, so that's that. Let's move this back. Okay, so we're gonna fold this over. Now, it should be in the middle, but if it's not exact, it really doesn't matter. Sorry, I just misplaced my bone folder for a second then. Okay, and then we can fold these over for our little tuck spots. Now on the other 3 that I've done, I did these tuck spots at 2.5 inches, but then I realised if I was going to sew them into a signature, I needed a little bit more room, so that's why these might look a little bit different from the first ones that I did, but that's okay. So got that. Just want to do a little bit of trimming at the top, but that's okay. So we'll start with that one, and then we'll just get this one folded. So get all that done together. I think, you know, these are quite similar to other mass makes that we've done in the series, but just, yeah, another variant on it, I guess. So I'm going to get these done, and I'm also going to do the paperclip pockets, which is next week's, and then I'm going to put a stopper on the mass makes for a little while, just because I think I do have a lot of ephemera now, and I want to, you know, we're getting into sort of the season where I really need to focus on Christmas and winter. Now this one I've used an offcut, so it's actually taller than 6 inches, but essentially we've got that. I like them. Cool. So just for reference, what that gives you with the folds where we've done them is it gives you 6 by 4 inches piece. These ones are 6 by 3.5. So, you know, where you do your folds for the tuck spots inside will determine how wide the front is going to be. Okie dokie. So, I do want to just do a little bit of trimming because same old story, isn't it? No matter how hard you try, you may find that your paper is just not, it's like you don't start with a straight piece of paper or something. There we go. And I know I'm not the only one who has this problem, because people have told me in the comments that they also find that they need to do this, you know, trim up after they've folded something. Bit tough, come on, you can do it. Ooh. There we go. Sorry if that was a bit loud. I think because of the gold foiling, the paper was just a little bit tougher to get through, but we did it. Okay, so that's that. Yep, that's better. So I'm just going to pause whilst I get these inked up, and then we'll carry on. Okay, that's those. Right, let's we're going to round the corners of our tuck spots, just because I feel like it gives it a nice finished look. Now I'm thinking I'm not going to decorate these today. The reason because is I want to give them almost like a front cover, but I don't have any suitable images at the moment in my stash. Yeah, for these. So I think I'm just going to have them as bases. So this will actually be quite a quick video today. But we're all busy, aren't we? So maybe some of you will be happy about that. So yeah, they will be undecorated. But I also want to see, you know, where I'm putting them in the journals as well, because I do feel like that does help with embellishing. So yeah, I think we'll stick with the pretty papers for today. But hopefully it's still helpful for you to see how I plan on using them, and you know, what sort of size I've gone with and stuff. Of course you could make these with, you know, scraps that you've got. I just went with full sheets cut into two, and then that made, yeah, two of each basically. Okay, so those are stuck down, just top and bottom. I realised I didn't talk whilst I was doing that, so hopefully I was in frame. And then we're just going to round every corner, because I feel like it really gives it a really, really nice look. So we've got this one as well. So just, yeah, every corner you can see, we're going to round that. So just ink those up a bit. So I'll show you, so this one is this way, rounded version. And if I show you how it looks before we rounded the corners, so we'll get these stuck down. Oh, need to do the other one. Okay. It's finally stopped raining. It was absolutely bucketing it down last night, and dare I say, I can see some blue skies among the clouds, but you know, some blue skies nonetheless. Maybe we'll be, yeah, it stopped raining. It's definitely stopped raining. I was sort of thinking, oh, maybe we'll see a rainbow, but, or maybe I'll see a rainbow. I keep forgetting you can't see out my window. So can you see the difference between rounded, if I put them down, maybe you can see that better. Rounded versus not rounded. I just feel like it does, you know, finish it off quite nicely. So done with the glue. So again, we're going to round every corner. Like that. And then again here. And it is as simple as that. Aren't they great? So well done Tina for another fab idea. I do feel like it is similar to something we might have done earlier in the series, but this is like now officially following her video. I think she's been using her, you know, just any type of paper that she's got, hasn't she? So she had all different sizes, but because I'm using the scrapbooking paper, you know, I just thought you would like to know what sort of sizes I went with. So that's those. So what you can see is that's the different in size. So these are with the front. This is with a 2.5 inch tuck spot inside, and this is with a 2-inch tuck spot. You get an extra 1/2 inch, don't you, on the cover side, so the front cover. So that's what you get in case you want to change up your sizing. I like both. And then of course that one was slightly taller because I was using an offcut. So yeah, I mean, I don't really want to decorate them. I think when I come to use them, I would want to put some die cuts inside, something that goes with the pattern, so some nice long flowers or something. But I don't have any die cuts at the moment. I need to either do some or buy some. And then I was thinking on the covers, front and back, if this was going into a signature, we could have something nice on the front. Equally, I don't really want to cover it up, so maybe it will just be a label. So yeah, that one, it might just be a label. This one I might do a little bit more too, because it's, oh, actually I want it to go that way. That's nice, isn't it? So yeah, again, I wouldn't really want to cover up all this nice paper. And then we've got this one with the orange. So yeah, I mean, I think just keep them simple. I've got a butterfly on that one. Yeah, this one might want more because it was just more of a background type paper. But that's those. So yeah, if you imagine they do go into your signature, I know I'm still waffling, but if you were to sew them in, you've got plenty of space to get in and out of your pockets. Look. Equally, if that was in the middle of your signature, that could be quite a nice middle piece. So that's those two, and then I'll just show you these ones with the. These ones were with the 2.5 inch tuck. There is room, but as you can see, there is less here to get in and out. So I just thought I would share that in case it does interest you. But yeah, I mean, that's it. I know, a really quick video, but you know, sometimes we need some of those rather than me waffling on for too long. I know I'm still talking, but so I will leave it there. You will see these again in the actual Secret Garden series, you know, that when we fully come to do it. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as that because I really don't want to. I don't want to put the wrong thing down, and yeah, I want to find the right thing. So I hope that was okay. Sorry it wasn't quite like the other videos, but it is what it is. This is real life. This is me crafting in real person. So in real life. And it is just, that's what we've got today. So I'll see you on the next one, which will be altered paperclip pockets. And just for a preview, this is my prototype that I did for my Christmas projects. How cute is this? And with a little pocket in the front. So we're going to make something like that, but in Secret Garden type of a theme. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you shortly. Bye bye for now.